Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nyechi Chiemela, and on today's video we are actually going to be talking about a particular product, a liquid soap that would help you on your skin lightening journey to get to the particular shade you want to. It's a journey, like I always say. Skin lightening is a journey. So one more thing, if this is the type of content you want to watch, if you're interested on ways on how to improve your skin, you want to know the type of lightening products, soaps, everything, definitely keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. And hello to my returning subscriber. I love you. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. And if you're a new subscriber, sweetheart, what are you waiting for? Don't even wait for anybody to tell you. Subscribe down below and let us get this party started. Today's video, I am actually going to be talking about the Bismid Super Bleaching Milk Bubble Bath. If you're interested and if you want to know more about this product, definitely keep on watching. So on my previous video where I talked about the Macari egg yolk liquid soap, I think towards the end of the video, if you've not watched that video, I think I'm going to insert a card or check the description box below for the link and watch the video if you haven't. I did say I was going to make a video on a particular liquid wash or liquid whitening soap you can try out if you're not always into creams sometimes, because when I'm on this product I don't use my cream. Sometimes I just go off the and I've tried it like a couple of months and my skin, it remains flawless. It's like my skin is still, it maintains my complexion, it even lightens it up a little bit. So I would definitely recommend this product to any of my subscribers in Nigeria, and I think for some online stores, though I've not checked Amazon. If you're watching from any part of the world, I've not checked Amazon. I don't know if they have this particular Bismid product, but I know if you're in Nigeria, they are online like Jumia. So in case you're interested in getting this product, they have a website. They are on Instagram. I think I'm going to insert their Instagram handle down below so you can check it out and probably make inquiries or purchase one if you want to. So yes, I would say that this product has been really good for my skin. It's lightened my skin up. Although I'm not a black person, I'm not a dark on the dark shade, I'm on the light shade. It improved my skin, and I am so proud of this product. Like, when people say, oh, liquid soaps play an important role for your skin, I usually don't believe them until I tried Bismid and it did justice to that. So I'll definitely recommend Bismid to any of my subscribers out there that are looking for a very good liquid lightening soap for your skin. I think you should try Bismid. It's around 3,000 naira in Nigeria. I'm actually going to do the conversion for you guys and tell you guys how much it costs in US dollars if you're interested in purchasing. So yeah, Bismid Super Bleaching Milk Bubble Bath is a skin whitening liquid soap. It helps to lighten your skin, it helps to improve your skin, and depending on your current skin shade or tone, it could improve and enhance your skin tone and make it more lighter than ever. I'm not going to say it's an automatic quick fix, but within 14 days or more, you should definitely, depending on your skin type, there are different skin types. Depending on the skin type, you should definitely see a good effect on your skin. So yeah, moving down to the ingredients and the contents. Bismid Super Bleaching Milk Bubble Bath is enriched with natural milk, vitamins, and whitening complex to whiten and brighten your skin complexion and naturally balance it without any side effects and get rid of unwanted dark spots and patches to give you a natural soft skin. So believe them when they say this is what it does. It's going to naturally whiten your skin without without side effects or unwanted dark spots. It gives you a natural fair skin. Believe them, this product, yes, I was skeptical at first. I was like, oh, will this really work? Yes, darling, it did work. It did do what it says it is actually going to do. So trust me when I say this product is the bomb. This sweet scented bath with luxurious milk enhances the skin, restores dry and rough skin, and maintains white skin. So that's exactly what it does. It goes into, if you have a rough skin, it softens it, it works on it. If you have a dry skin, it restores it. And then at the same time, when your skin is hard, sometimes it makes creams and products difficult to penetrate and give, especially when you're talking of dead skin cells. That's why this product is at the same time an exfoliant. It exfoliates your skin. So yeah, and when a product exfoliates at the same time whitens, I think that's a plus for this product. So yeah, then it's sweet scented, like I talked about. It has an amazing smell. The smell is heavenly. The smell is beautiful. This is my third pack. This is my third pack on Bismid. My third bottle. This is my third bottle. As you can see, it's almost finishing. And it's milky white and it smells fantastic. It's beautiful. And Bismid Cosmetics, they have a lot of products. This is one of their products. You can check them out. I'll insert their Instagram handle down below. You can, but if you want this one in particular, I suggest you visit their website, or if you have somebody that can actually get this for you, you can, ask the person to help you purchase it, or check out their Instagram handle and place your order directly from them. In fact, everything it says it does is what it does. It says it is sweet scented, luxurious milk bath. Check. It works on dry and rough skin, restores it, and at the same time whitens it. Check. Direction: put a desired amount on your sponge and walk around it to lather. It lathers very well. It doesn't have a problem with the lather. Like most lightening soaps have issues when it comes to lather and everything. It lathers perfectly. And natural milk, sweet almond oil, and you guys know that milk is very good for the skin. It contains a whole lot that is vital for your skin. It contains sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is a natural oil, essential oil, which helps in skin lightening, skin rejuvenation, and a whole lot more. Moisturizes the skin and very good. And then it has water, sodium laureth, and glycerin, which is a softener to the skin, and citric acid. And you guys know I'm always a big fan of products that contain vitamin C as one of their major ingredients. So if you're looking for something that contains a natural ingredient, try out Bismid Super Bleaching Milk Bubble Bath. Forget the fact they called it bleaching. It's not going to bleach you to that. So terrible. It's going to lighten your skin. Actually, it's a skin lightener. So if you're looking for a product that will help your skin, that will lighten your skin, definitely try out Bismid Super Bleaching Bubble Milk Bath. It is, I hope I don't get to bite my tongue. It is fantastic and it's super good for your skin. This video shouldn't be that long. I'm trying as much as possible to jump. For those of my subscribers, I'll be like, oh, please just go straight to the point. It's not as easy as you think, because sometimes I take time before I make out reviews. Sometimes I even have to try this product myself. I do a whole lot of research. I don't just sit down here and tell you guys this. That's why I take time before uploading videos, because I do my research. I try as much as possible to get all my information correctly and as much as I can. So please, I don't disclaimer. I think I should put a disclaimer. I don't entertain negative comments. If you know you're not going to, if you've tried a product and it didn't work for you, you can simply just say, oh, I tried this product, but it didn't work for me. You don't have to be negative. I'm not sitting here and telling you to go and buy something. It's not a force. It's not by force. It's, okay, this product, I've tried it. It's good for skin lightening. Try it out. If you want to, you still have your choice. So I don't like when people come to my channel and then they just keep dropping negative comments. You think it's easy to make product reviews, then try doing yours. Please. I appreciate my sweet subscribers. I appreciate everybody. But please, you have to understand that I'm human, and I try as much as possible to make my reviews and to do my research before I talk about product. So if you're not comfortable with my channel, please, if you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. If you're done watching, just quietly click out. Don't talk, don't say anything. And if you find my content informative, interesting, entertaining in one way or the other, and I think I have a couple of subscribers too that have taken my tips and it worked out for them. Please do the same. Don't come and shade, don't come and say negative things about me. I don't even know you, and I've never even said negative things about anybody. So please, sweetheart, I love you and God bless you. Please, please, please subscribe, or it's fine. Okay? So yeah, this Bismid, this is called Bismid Cosmetics. It's a company based in Lagos, Nigeria. I don't know if they have branches, but I believe they should have branches. So yeah, it's 100% natural, and I believe them when they say it's 100% natural. Like it's 100% natural. So try it out and let me know, guys, what you think about it. So yeah, this is my review for Bismid Super Bleaching Milk Bubble Bath. If you've tried this product and it works for you, let me know down the comment section. And if you're a new subscriber, my love, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like my video and share this video. Like I'm going to end this video. I'm going to say this: if you're looking for a lightening liquid soap, that will lighten your skin, that will help your skin improve, especially if you're on a skin lightening journey, try Bismid Super Bleaching Milk Bubble Bath and probably thank me later. But if you decide you don't want to, I'm not forcing anybody. It's fine. Don't try it. It's cool. But this is my go-to, and this has helped my skin. So try out Bismid Super Bleaching Milk Bubble Bath by Bismid Cosmetics, and let me know down the comment section if you've tried it or if you want to try it. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is a quick one. I tried as much as possible to make this video as short as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.